How's it going, guys? Welcome to another episode. So we got a 2014 Mercedes C250. We're gonna change the spark plugs on this bad boy. First thing you want to do, you want to make sure you have a E8. This is a inverted Torx. This is what you're gonna need for the coils. So you're gonna need a 5/8 spark plug socket for the extension and the ratchet. You are gonna need a handy dandy flat head. So what you want to do is put pressure on these two tabs on the side, and then kind of slowly, just evenly take it out like that. That's what you want to do. That's what you want to do prior to taking off the bolts, because it's just a little bit easier. You don't have to take it all the way out, but I'm just gonna do it like that. Oops. Just gentle like that. Gentle now. There you go. I'm gonna take these bad boys out. Now it's already started. Make sure it comes out all the way. They're pretty long bolts. So if you have some power tools, that'll be better. So what you want to do here, take out the bolts that are easiest to take out, just in case. I'll show you guys why. Oh, you can take them all, set them aside. So now these bad boys, sometimes they're okay. Well, this one came out fairly good. See what we got here. Got a little bit of debris, some oil stains. Oh, just probably when he some oil debris here when he added oil or something. Must have slipped out. Doesn't look like there's any oil in there. Take it out right now. So I like to leave them in order, just in case. I don't know why, but sometimes it's good for if you're doing like a diagnostic, but getting like used to that, just in case. Take all these out. This one came out pretty easy. This is what you're gonna need. He still has the original ones. I like to take them all off, or at least loosen them all off, and then bring them all out at the same time. I mean, one by one. I don't recommend this method the way I take them out, but you go really slow. Try to absorb the most vibration with your fingers. You should be good, but don't recommend that way. Just take them out by hand. The 4 spark plugs here. NGK. This is what we got. We got an NGK. That's the part number there that we're gonna put on this one. Works pretty well. We got 4 new ones. Let's go ahead and drop that in. Another thing I forgot to mention is you want to make sure this is not touching, because it will not work. It has to be a gap there so it could arc the spark. So they usually come okay, but you know, so many that they produce, it's gonna be kind of hard to quality control all of them. You also want to make sure you have a good spark plug socket. You don't want to drop these in there. So you want to tie these up just enough. You'll feel that I feel that max tightening. I don't know if it's because I've been doing it for a while, but you kind of feel when it's like, nope, that's it. You know, you keep going, but not recommended. Break that thing in there, and that's it. There it is. You'll feel it. Start getting like, this washer is just what you're feeling, that getting compressed. So you'll feel like this washer gets to the max, and then you know, I'll let you know. So just kind of snug. I'll say like a turn. Put these back in. Make sure they don't have any debris. Same 4 and 4. You know, 3. Yeah. You can plug them up, or you can wait until. Just remember the ones that, like this one, it might be easier to just plug it up. I think this one too. Get it in there like that. You see that? Make sure it clicks. Make sure it gets. You'll feel that double click, one on each side. Let's go one more time just in case. So, get these bad boys in there. You just slide them in there and then. Once you drop all those in there, get your E8 and get them all in there by hand. Make sure you do a couple turns. Okay. You have to do it by hand. You don't want to fuck up this thread here and this valve cover. Make sure it goes in. There you go. See that? Same for this one. That one right there. Once you got all them by hand, you can use your power tool, but just kind of measure it too. You don't want to over tighten these back. You know what I mean? So that's how you do it. That's gonna be the simplest ways to do the spark plug change, and then just put the cover back on. You should be good. We are gonna change the air filter and the oil on this car as well. I'll do another video for that. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.